back in the garage. We're back on the Panda. We're going to see about these lights. So I'm going to switch the lights on and I'm just going to go through them, check if there's power to it, check the fuses. I'm not sure where the fuses are. I've got the Panda manual on the iPad. If you want manuals and all that kind of thing, check out the description below. There's some links where you can get manuals for your car on e-manual online. Alternatively, there are some manuals over on my website you can download for free. Yeah, so we're just going to crack on. First up, I've switched the side lights on. Side lights only on the driver's side. Let's stick this on the earth on the battery. I'll just test it that the light's working. Yeah, so that light's up. I don't know which one. I think it's the yellow one. So we've got no power getting to this front. Before I do anything else, I'm just going to check the fuses. So I'll have a look at the manual, see where the fuses are. I think they're under the dashboard somewhere. Coming to look at my spectators.
Oh, it's a great spectator sport. Isn't it, mate? She can't be bothered. She's asleep indoors. Who's that? Tell him.
Pencil sharpener. Come on in.
Brave, isn't it?
Shit, that echoes in here. And that is what I've got to put up with. Noisy little sod. So we've almost got all the lights working. We've got the side light working on the front again. I think that was just a dodgy connection where I've put the new headlight on. The back lights are still being a bit problematic, so we've cleaned it all up with the Dremel sandpaper. I've taken all the circuit board out and cleaned that up, so that's a nice tight thing. Where the plug goes in, I've squashed the things together. I've still not got a side light over on that other side at the back. I've got brake lights both sides, I've got indicators both sides, I've only got side light on one side. There's no power to that. Anyway, I found this lot in amongst the back. It was all connected up to the lights. It's the old trailer electrics. So they've removed the tow bar and just cut through the wiring. So whether that's shorted out to earth and it's blown a fuse, I've got to see what fuse it is. The fuse box in the manual isn't the same as what's on this car. You knew that was coming, didn't you? Anyway, I've also got to get a couple of side repeater lights. They're not working. And according to the manual, it says to change the bulb, you replace the complete lamp. I have tried to take the lamp out and it's bust. So they've just gone really brittle. I'll try and source a couple of those with some new bulbs. And then once we get it all working, I'll get a full bulb kit for this car, because you're supposed to carry one in your car over here in France anyway. But yeah, I've taken all that lot out, tidied the wiring up in the back, but I've still got no live feed for the rear side lights at the back. I've just got to trace it back to where it goes. But that's a job for another day. I've had quite enough scratching my head, this, that and the other. So that's it. First bit of work on the Panda since it's come back in. It is dripping from the gearbox, the oil, so I'm going to have to get that jacked up, catch the oil because it's brand new oil, and see if I can get that drive shaft gator on there nice and tight. Dearie me. So there's always something, isn't there? That'll be later on down the line. We'll get all these lights sorted out first and bits and pieces in this tracking. So that's it. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.